So when I've been involved in a recruitment process and we're looking at a individual to pick in the team, I think the most important thing to look at is, does he fit into the team in terms of what his skill sets are? In other words, we might be looking for an individual that offers you something that allows you to fulfill your game plans and fulfill your strategies. So it would be very important to find those individuals. Every team is looking for balance. And looking for players that can cover every different base that you need for that team to be successful. So that would, for me, be the number one most important priority. And then I think when you've got a pool of people that you are looking to recruit into that space, there might be 3 or 4 guys that you've headhunted. It's now a process of getting to understand that individual. Personally, I believe that in sport recruitment, we are a little bit outdated when we compare ourselves to the business world, where recruitment has become really rigorous. There's lots of profiling to really get the right individual for that particular job. So I think sport can learn a lot from business, but I think in our selection process, our resources are quite limited. So we typically only looking at 1 or 2 individuals that could make the difference. But I've always been mindful of the fact to get an individual, even though he might have a huge amount of talent, but maybe to get someone that fits that team environment as well as you're looking for.